Hi there, everybody. So today I'm going to be talking about internal link building. I'm going to firstly start off by talking about what is the difference between external internal link building, and then I'll run through a little bit of a demo as to how you can do it yourself without using any tools. So yeah, firstly, just external link building is when you reach out to websites and you ask them to put a link of your website onto their website. Usually this is done through link insertions or guest posting on other people's website and then having a link that points back to your website. So that is external link building. You can also qualify link earning and into external link building. And link earning is basically when you create an asset on your website, such as a blog or an infographic, and that blog or infographic attracts a lot of links naturally. So that's link earning. But both of those would be still considered external link building tactics. When it comes to internal linking, basically different pages on your website are linking to other pages within the same website. When you do this, you are basically communicating to Google which are your most important pages. The ones that have the most internal links going to them, you're basically communicating to Google, hey, these are my most important pages. That's one reason why internal link building is really important, because you can start to highlight what are your most important pages to search bots, Google search bots. Apart from that, every website has a domain rating and every page on that website has a page rating. So basically, your page rating is how authoritative an individual page is. And this is usually determined by how many links it's attracting. So let's just say we have a page which is blog. What is SEO? So you have a blog on your website which is what is SEO, and this blog has attracted 50 backlinks to it because it's so well written. And now what you want to do is you want to funnel that authority to another page on your website, which doesn't get a lot of love and attention. So let's just say that page is your platform slash SEO tool page. Because what normally ends up happening is that these internal pages tend to not get any links because they're not really sharing anything unique or valuable per se to the client. So they don't tend to attract links. So you have to either manually build them or you can internally funnel authority through methods that I just talked about, because this page is more likely to get backlinks than this one. So basically you gather all your backlinks to this page and then you start funneling authority through to your other more important pages. And you can do this across a website. So those are basically the two main reasons why you do internal link building. Firstly, to let Google know what are your most important pages, and you do that by internally linking certain pages more than others. And then also just funnel authority from one page to another page. Those are the two core reasons why you do internal link building. So let me dive into an example. Once again, like I mentioned before, there's tons of tools that do this. So Ahrefs does this. I'm pretty sure SEMrush has a feature which can help you do this. There are specific tools for internal link building, like Link Whisper. So you can check out those tools. But if you just want to do it for free, what I would do is, and let's just pretend that we're working on Klaviyo. I have no partnership with Klaviyo, nor do I work with them. Just using this as an example. So what I would basically do is just something like this. So let's just say Klaviyo is an email marketing software, but they're going to release a new social media tool, or they already have released a new social media tool. So while their link building team is getting backlinks, external backlinks to that page, what another step that they can do is basically start to internally link it as well. So let's just, you would put this command. So you would put site Klaviyo, and then in commas, social media. And this will basically pull out every single page that has social media, the word social media on it. That's okay. So now we're getting a lot of community pages. This makes it a little bit more challenging because then I have to put more advanced commands. Let me just pick another email marketing software. One sec. So instead of Klaviyo, I just switched it out with HubSpot. So let's just imagine HubSpot is trying to get more links to their social media internal pages. So let's see what happens here. Perfect. So we get a bunch of different places. So we just come over here, social media certificate, fastest growing platforms, drive management with SEO tool, social media tool, media calendar, future social media. Perfect. So now we have a bunch of pages which have the word social media on it. So it's at least somewhat relevant. And then social media. And yes, somewhere in here intelligently, you can just link to the social media page. So you would just go ahead, you would link it to whatever page you want. And once again, this is hypothetically, I am HubSpot. So I own HubSpot. So if you want a different website, you would do this on your website. You wouldn't do this on HubSpot. But yeah, you have a ton of different opportunities that you can exact match, anchor tag back to your other pages. You can come here. Maybe this is not the best page. You come over here. This is probably a really good page because I probably say social media so many times here. Yeah, so there's just tons of internal linking opportunities. And you would basically just send this link to whatever page you want more prominent within your website. You can just keep repeating this process. Then what you can do is you can just come back here and you rinse and repeat, right? So you've searched social media, maybe you want to start searching up other terms that you also want internal links to specific pages for. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you learned a little bit more about what internal and external links are and why we do internal link building and how you can do it yourself.